Okay, so I made a weird discovery. I'm bench testing this Moroccan Sand Panama. You can see it has an RMM2 board. This is from '87, and it has FLIK mode. So this must be a very, very early one. Watch. Turn the power on, light comes on, flick it off. Huh, you can't reverse it. Yeah, the control works as it should, but FLIK mode is still... That's very weird. Turn the light off. You can still dim it like normal. Raise the brightness. Yeah, that's a weird discovery I made. So, yep, RMM2 with FLIK. That should be interesting to some people. Thanks for watching.